Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the best email marketing tools to help you optimize sales and conversions. Building a business online is hard. You're competing with millions of other websites for attention. That's where email marketing comes in. It's one of the most effective ways to connect with potential customers and drive sales. With so many tools out there, it can be tough to know where to start. I'm breaking down the top email marketing platforms on the market. We'll look at their pros and cons, pricing, and key features so you can find the perfect fit for your business. Stick around to the end for a special bonus tip to enhance your email marketing efforts. Let's get started. First up, we have MailChimp. If you're just getting started with email marketing, you've probably heard of MailChimp. One of MailChimp's biggest strengths is its user-friendly interface. They have a drag-and-drop email builder that makes creating professional-looking emails a breeze. MailChimp is packed with powerful features, including automation, segmentation, and A/B testing. You can use MailChimp to send out newsletters, promotional emails, and automated welcome series. They offer a free plan for up to 2,000 contacts, making it great for businesses on a budget. As your business grows, you can unlock more advanced features and integrations. Overall, MailChimp is a solid choice for businesses of all sizes. Next, let's talk about Constant Contact. Constant Contact stands out for its exceptional customer support, offering phone and live chat assistance. They have a vast library of resources, including tutorials, guides, and webinars. Constant Contact boasts a variety of pre-designed, mobile-responsive templates. They offer automation features, list segmentation, and reporting tools. While a bit more expensive, their robust features and dedicated support make them a worthwhile investment. If top-notch support is a priority, Constant Contact is worth considering. Moving right along, we have Sendinblue. Sendinblue is known for its sophisticated automation features and affordable pricing. They offer a visual automation builder for creating complex email sequences with ease. Pricing is based on the number of emails you send, not the number of contacts. Sendinblue also offers SMS marketing, landing pages, and a CRM. It's a budget-friendly option for businesses that send a lot of emails. For advanced automation capabilities, Sendinblue could be the perfect fit. Now, let's dive into GetResponse. GetResponse offers a wide range of features, including email marketing, automation, landing pages, and webinars. They provide detailed insights into your email campaigns for data-driven decisions. GetResponse has a variety of pre-designed templates and a drag-and-drop editor. Their conversion funnels help create automated email sequences for specific goals. They offer a 30-day free trial to test the platform. For deep insights into email performance, GetResponse is a great option. Last but not least, we have ConvertKit. ConvertKit is designed for creators, bloggers, and online businesses. It focuses on building relationships and fostering community. Features like tagging and segmentation allow for highly targeted emails. ConvertKit makes it easy to create landing pages and forms. They emphasize automation for nurturing leads and moving them down the sales funnel. If you're a creator or blogger, ConvertKit is worth checking out. So, there you have it. My top picks for the best email marketing tools to boost sales and conversions. The best tool for you will depend on your specific needs and budget. Choose a platform that you're comfortable using and that offers the features you need. Bonus tip: focus on providing value to your subscribers. Share valuable content, offer exclusive discounts, and engage with your audience. By providing value, you'll build trust and loyalty, leading to more sales and conversions. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on optimizing your sales and conversions. See you next time. Are you ready to discover how to take this information and apply it to start getting results fast? Tap the link below or go to mastermindwebinars.com. Come and create your free account to get hours of valuable training on website optimization, list building, email marketing, AI, automations, mindset, and so much more. Click below and unlock this wealth of free training today.